This is the end result, guys. I just have my olive oil on here.
But this is very yummy.
Thank you, my love.
Give me any cookies.
I'm gonna give you. So, guys, now I'm about to make that of Susie's and the dad. Shane said he wants more, so I'm gonna be making him more.
All you want?
Okay, guys, now let's serve.
So you guys said that it's gonna be making. He's gonna be putting me the bread that I love so much. She put some beef and some cheese, and she put it in the oven, and then have it cooked. It looks cheesy.
Look at that, guys.
It's a bit cheesy. That's gonna be for me.
Yay.
You
You want one or two?
One.
Okay. You're welcome, beautiful. Okay, do you want one more?
What is that? What did you say, Mommy?
You want me to give you more of these? That was what you said, right?
More of that cheese? More of that, girl? You want me to have free? No, because I'm free as old. Come here, eat free. Cheese, can I eat free cheesy things? One. Put it in there. One.
Look at that, guys.
Then another one is two.
It's yummy. Thank you. You're welcome, baby. You're welcome, my papa. Let's go, baby. Our feature. Okay.
I'm always going to choose my clothes, but only when it's winter, my mom's going to be choosing my clothes. I'm choosing it because it's summer.
Okay. 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 All right, be smart.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Peace out, guys.
Oh. Thank you guys for watching.
Hope you guys have an amazing day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Peace.
Stop. And this one is for hubby. Let me show you guys what I'll be having. And this is mine, guys. Ooh, my hands have been washed.
Mommy, can I go to the room? Can I go in this morning? I want to go in this morning.
Don't forget to like, subscribe for you. Peace out.